gonna reveal about the importance of vaccination. This is the toughest situation, so we should take vaccines for our prevention. At the end of 2019, a novel coronavirus was identified as the cause of cluster of pneumonia cases in Wuhan, a city, the Hubei province of China. It rapidly spread, resulting in an epidemic throughout China, followed by an increasing number of cases in other countries throughout the world. In February 2020, the World Health Organization designated the disease COVID-19, which stands for Coronavirus Disease 2019. A coronavirus spreads mainly between people who are in close contact with each other, typically within 1 meter. A person can be infected when droplets contains the virus are inhaled or come directly into contact with the eyes, nose or mouth. COVID-19 targets the lungs, so you are more likely to develop severe symptoms if you already have lung problems, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, lung cancer, cystic fibrosis. Getting vaccinated is safer than getting infected. Vaccines train our immune system to recognize the targeted virus and create antibodies to fight off the disease without getting the disease itself. After vaccination, the body is ready to fight the virus if it is the later exposure to it, thereby preventing illness. Most people who are infected with COVID-19 develop an immune response within the first few weeks, but we are still learning how strong and lasting that immune response is and how it varies between different people. Importance of vaccination. A vaccine is a way to build your body's natural immunity to a disease before you get sick. This keeps you from getting and spreading the disease. For most vaccines, a weakened form of the disease germ is infected into your body. This is usually done with a shot in the leg or arm. Your body detects the invading germs and produces antibodies to fight them. Those antibodies then stay in your body for a long time. In many cases, they stay for the rest of your life. If you are ever exposed to the disease again, your body will fight it off without you ever getting the disease. COVID-19 vaccination benefits. Getting vaccinated yourself may also protect people around you, particularly people at increased risk for severe illness from COVID-19. Experts continue to conduct studies to learn more about how COVID-19 vaccination may reduce spread of the virus that caused COVID-19. It is important to wear mask and keep social distance after being vaccinated for COVID-19. Yes, definitely. Some people may think that wearing a mask or continuing to practice social distancing are not necessary steps if they have been infected with COVID-19 or vaccinated for COVID-19. But that's not true, says Dr. Abhinash Virek, an infectious diseases expert. Even those who have been vaccinated for COVID-19 still need to wear masks, practice social distancing, and wash their hands frequently. Vaccines save us from the virus. Thanks for all. Be safe and be secure. Thank you.